Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup easily at home. Begin by heating oil and gently sautéing aromatics until translucent, then add your chosen stock and vegetables. Simmer gently to meld flavors and add herbs late for brightness. Taste and season with salt and pepper, and finish with acid or fresh herbs for balance. Serve warm with bread or a simple garnish for a comforting meal. I start by building flavor patiently, and you can replicate it easily at home. Toast spices for seconds, then sauté onions and garlic until soft and fragrant. Add stock, root vegetables, and proteins, then simmer gently so flavors develop without overcooking. Taste periodically and adjust with salt, pepper, or a splash of vinegar. Garnish with herbs or a swirl of cream to round out the bowl. For busy days, quick shortcuts keep soup approachable and tasty without compromising flavor. Use canned beans or pre-cooked chicken to speed things, and frozen vegetables for convenience and nutrition. Reduce hands-on time by pressure cooking or simmering gently while you attend to other tasks. If you want creaminess, blend a portion of the soup or add dairy at the end. Simple techniques make homemade soup a go-to meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.